Let's talk about these different terms that are often searched. Stem cell therapy is associated with stem cells that are harvested. Now, primarily these are coming from areas such as in the bone marrow. And this is often done as a type of surgical procedure involving your pelvic bone. The process involves using a specially designed, it's a pretty thick needle that can be driven through the bone. When you've talked to a number of people that have gone through this process, most people are going to tell you that it was quite painful. So many people are thinking twice when it comes to this procedure, not only as a result of the potential pain, but there's also some question in regards to the quality of stem cells that your particular body is currently producing. Now, we know that it's proven that the older we get, the less effective our stem cells tend to be. Another group of terms to discuss are the umbilical cord products, the human umbilical cord tissue products, and Wharton's jelly. Now, as opposed to the bone marrow aspiration, these products come from women here in the US who donate their umbilical cords in an ethical manner after electing to have a C-section. It has to be a full-term birth of a healthy live birth, okay? So in order for these women to become eligible to donate their umbilical cords, both the mother and child are tested and must pass rigorous guidelines set up by the FDA, the National Institutes of Health, the American Association of Tissue Banks, and the American Association of Blood Banks. These umbilical cords can then be purchased and processed by private labs in order to provide products that do not contain red blood cells and are immune system neutral, and therefore these can be used by just about anyone who is suffering with chronic back pain, as well as other chronic joint pains of the body, including the knee, hip, and shoulder. With these particular products, you are able to avoid the painful bone marrow extraction, and you are getting a product which is, for, let's say, lack of better terminology, coming from a much younger source than your own body with fresh cells and other healing substances. There is no need to go through a process of matching donors since it doesn't even contain any red blood cells. Wharton's jelly is a term that is used to describe the specific part of the umbilical cord tissue. It's the highest concentration source of mesenchymal stem cells. This is the reason that umbilical cord tissue or human cellular tissue-based products are so desirable and effective. Science also proves that these products are effective not only because they contain the mesenchymal stem cells, but also the cytokines, growth factors, proteins, exosomes, and microvesicles to heal the damaged tissue in your back. If you need more questions answered, if you need to take it to the next level, then give us a call.